Hi children, today we are going to start a new lesson. This is the third unit of second term book. The topic of the lesson is plants. Children, this lesson is very easy to understand. Why? Can anyone say? Because plants are all around us. This is a part of our lives. Without these, we cannot survive. Isn't it, children? First, let us recall the parts of the plant. Okay? Yeah. Children, this is a small plant. Shall we label the parts of the plant? Yeah. Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seed. Plants are nature's gift. Children, a plant has many parts. Each part has a set of function to do. By this lesson, we are going to learn about the various parts of the plant, their structure and functions in a detailed way. Plants have two organ systems. One is root system, another one is shoot system. Root system, part of a plant which grows below the soil, is called root system. This grows towards gravity. Shoot system, part of a plant which grows above the soil, is called shoot system. This includes stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, etc. Shoot system grows against gravity. First, we are going to discuss about root. The root is a part of the plant that usually grows under the soil. Roots can be of different shapes and sizes. Roots have several purposes. They hold the plant in the ground and keep it upright. They take water and food from the soil. It grows away from the sunlight into the soil. Roots are classified into two types: taproot, fibrous root. First, taproot. A taproot is a long, thick root that points straight down. It grows from the radicle and goes deep into the soil. Many small, thin roots grow out from the main root. Plants such as carrot, beetroot, turnip, mango, and neem have taproots. Second, fibrous root. Fibrous roots are made up of many small roots, all about the same size. They grow from the base of the stem and all of them are bunched together. They do not go deep into the soil. Plants such as grass, paddy, wheat, and onion have fibrous roots. Next, functions of root. Fixation. Root fixes the plant firmly to the soil. Without the roots, a plant would fall on the ground. Absorption. Roots absorb water and minerals required for the plant from the soil. Storage of food. In some plants, roots store food. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot. Preventing soil erosion. Sometimes roots are modified to perform various other functions like reproduction, nutrition, etc. Now let's learn about difference between taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, thick main root that goes deep into the soil. Fibrous root, no main root and the roots do not go deep into the soil. In taproot, side roots are developed from the main root, whereas in fibrous root, roots are developed from the base of the stem. Taproot, it looks like a long tap. Example, roots of tamarind and guava trees. Fibrous root, it looks like a bunch. For example, roots of corn and sugarcane plant. Children, do you know? Avicennia plants have roots above the ground. Now we are going to complete this heading. Let us write true or false. Question number 1. The roots grow into the soil. True. Question number 2. Fibrous root has a main root. False. Question number 3. Root absorbs water from soil. True. Question number 4. Potato stores food in its root. False. Question number 5. Grass has fibrous roots. True.